Hey guys! Today let's wrap text around the subject in Photoshop. Separate the subject from the background. We will ask Photoshop AI to do that for us. Go to Select, Subject, then select Modify, Expand. 7 pixels. OK. Next, we'll smooth the selection before adding text to it. Head to Select, Modify, Smooth. 70 pixels. Pick up horizontal text tool, D shortcut. Move cursor to the selection. Right click and select Make Work Path. 1 pixel is OK. Zoom closer, place your cursor on the line, and click to type any text that you want. I've already prepared and copied the text of my own, so now I just need to paste it. We'll add stroke on the text, so it will stand out from the background. Click to FX icon and choose the blending option. Check on stroke, size 3 pixels, position outside. I'll choose white color. In case you want to change the color of text, just check to color overlay and change color in the color box on the right side. Let's make it glow a bit in outer glow. Make sure to choose the same color. Hope that you guys enjoyed this session and learned something new. Feel free to download this photo in the link on the description. Thanks for watching.